Okay, welcome. Here we are, really taking a progress video of this master bedroom that we're going to completely upholster the walls. It's really hard and complicated because we're putting a little channel. We have all new millwork, which is painted, a new channel around the, which you can see there is going to be where the welt is going to go so that it's completely flat and seamless. The panel actually will be almost flush with the millwork. Here we have all the lasts that show us, which we need to nail into for the carpet around all the light fixtures. The hardest part here was I think the amount of cutouts in detail, and here's a central air where we had to actually fix it so that we have a stop for the panel. We have something to, attach it to make it work. There's an enormous amount of complexity in the case goods box that's all this is gonna come out, and that is gonna be replaced with new fabric, as is all the walls, and there's an old panel up there around the window which goes behind the window treatment so we don't have to see the wall. But it's an enormous amount of work. This has been 3 days in the making. It's Thursday morning, and I think all the fabric is on its way. Hopefully here soon, and I want to just take a quick picture of the beautiful carpet. This is Stark, and I can't wait to see the fabric up, and we'll just see. We're looking forward to maybe seeing it done probably in a couple days next week, but it's ciao for now, and we'll see you at the next